Page 26, these are the two lines of music at the bottom of the page. One is in 4/4 time signature, 4/4, and the other one is in 12/8. Again, it's the same feel pretty much, except in the first one, the quarter note gets a count, and the second one, the eighth note gets a count. And the first one uses triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then third measure, you get a rest for the first part of the triplets. 1 and triplet, triple. And that natural sign in the F, that's good for the rest of the measure. So that last note in that measure is still natural. We simply went from D major to D minor. Oh well. In the left hand, we just got a lot going on there. And I'd like to try and be accurate with these rests. I'm not always, but it's good to try, I guess. In the third measure, you're 1 and down. And as I play the A, the left hand comes out. 1 down. Here. And then fourth finger on the here, you come up. And the last measure, triple, 1 and 2 and 3. Again. Something like that. Well, the bottom line is going to feel the same, or sound the same, but instead of triplets, it's eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a eighth note gets count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Last measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See this? So the rhythm feels about the same, but there could be other interpretive possibilities depending on the time signature. That's very subtle. You can play them both the same and get away with it, but it can be interpreted a little different. I don't run across 12/8 very often. You don't see that hardly at all. You do see 4/4 quite a bit too.